My front door is open.
Did you leave it open?
No, I'm sure I locked it.
Stay behind me.
Okay.
I'll check first. The living room looks normal. I don't see anyone.
I'm still scared.
Don't worry, I'm here. Let's check the kitchen.
Wait. I heard something.
Stay calm.
That's my cat.
Hello.
Mr. Sharma.
Don't worry. Your cat almost ran outside. I saw the door open, so I came in to help.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. She's very naughty.
Yes, she is.
By the way, you look very nice today. That color really suits you. And you have a lovely smile.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're always so cheerful.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll leave now. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Is everything okay?
Yes,
Are you sure?
maybe.
That's not an answer.
I know.
Thank you for helping me today.
Anytime.
Would you like some tea?
I'd love to.
I'll be back in a minute. Please make yourself comfortable.
Sure. Why did I feel jealous? He's just her neighbor. Why am I thinking like this?
Your tea is ready.
It smells wonderful.
I hope you like it.
It smells perfect.
I'm glad. Please have your tea.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's really good.
I'm happy to hear that.
Your home is very neat.
Thank you. I like to keep it clean.
Do you live here alone?
Yes, I do.
Doesn't it feel lonely sometimes?
Sometimes it does. But my work keeps me busy.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I also create English learning videos.
Really? That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Where do you teach?
Mostly online. I teach beginners. I make simple English lessons.
That's very useful.
I enjoy helping people speak English.
When do you start your day?
I usually wake up at 6. I make myself a cup of tea. Then I do a little stretching. After that, I prepare breakfast. Then I plan my lessons. I write video scripts. I record my videos. Then I edit them.
You're very hardworking.
Thank you. What about you?
I work at a bank.
Oh, that's nice.
I leave home around 8. The traffic is always heavy.
That's true.
I reach the bank before 9. My day starts with customer meetings. There is always a lot of paperwork. Sometimes it's very busy.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I like helping people.
That's a good quality.
Thank you. And what do you enjoy the most?
I love teaching beginners. It makes me happy when they become confident.
You must be a good teacher.
I try my best.
Your students are lucky.
That's sweet of you.
Is creating videos difficult?
Sometimes. Recording is easy. Editing takes the most time.
I can imagine.
But I enjoy the whole process.
I hope your channel grows quickly.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Oh, look at the time.
It's already evening.
Time flies when the conversation is good.
I was thinking the same.
I should leave now.
Thank you for spending time with me.
I had a great time today.
Me too.
Thank you for the tea.
You're always welcome.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Why did you become an English teacher?
Because I love helping people. I know how difficult it is to speak English. Many people understand English, but they don't feel confident enough to speak.
That's true.
I want to change that. I want everyone to speak English without fear.
That's a wonderful goal.
Thank you. What made you choose banking?
I always like numbers. I also enjoy meeting new people. Every day is different at the bank.
Do you ever get tired?
Sometimes, but I enjoy my work.
That's important.
What do you do after work?
I usually read books. Sometimes I plan new lessons. I also enjoy listening to soft music.
I like soft music too.
Really?
Yes,
We have many things in common.
I think so. It's getting late.
Yes, it is.
I should leave now.
Thank you again for finding my phone.
It was my pleasure.
Drive safely.
I will. Good night, Isha.
Good night, Raj.
See you soon.
See you. Take care.
You too.